everyone, today we are going to talk about Tombow Fudnosuke brush pen. These are one of the best small tip brush pen available and we are going to find out why. So quickly subscribe to my channel and stay till the end to find out. Let's get started. Let's start by opening the pack of Tombow Fudnosuke brush pen. The packaging look neat and keep the pen safe. Now look at the pen. It has a nice clean design. There are two types, one with the hard tip and one with the soft tip. The pen feels light and easy to hold, which is great for both beginners and pupils who draw or write a lot. The hard tip pen comes with the blue barrel and the soft tip one has a black barrel, so it is easy to tell them apart. The difference is in between the tip flexibility. Let's try out both. As you know, the brush pen have flexible tip. They bend as soon as you put them on the paper. The soft tip brush pen of the Tombow Fudnosuke is more flexible. You get thick down stroke and you gain easy to control over the brush pen as a beginner. The up stroke are bit thin but also hide any shakiness of your stroke, especially if you are a beginner. Now let's look at the two types of Tombow Fudnosuke pen, the soft tip and the hard tip, and see how they are different. I will show you how both of them write, as you can choose the one you like best. Let's start with the soft tip. This one is more flexible, so it bends more when you press it on the paper. It gives you thick and smooth line when you go down. It's great for writing big letters and doing fancy style. If your hand shake a little, it still look nice, so it's perfect for beginners. It feels soft and smooth when you are right with it. You don't need to press too hard, just a little pressure give you bold lines. It's a great pen to build your confidence with the brush lettering. The hard tip, as the name suggests, is not very flexible, so you might not get very thick downstroke, but honestly the difference is hardly noticeable. The upstroke with the hard tip are very clean, especially if you have steady hand. If not, you can always practice to improve your upstrokes. When I first started using these pens, I preferred the hard tip over the soft tip. That's because it gave me more control over the pen. Later, with enough practice, I became comfortable with both the tips. Basically, both tips are good and you will find yourself switching between the two depending on your personal preference. Their small tip makes them a better choice for the beginner, as they are easier to control than large tip brush pen. Upstrokes especially require more control, and these pens help with that. They produce finer writing and cleaner curve. Plus, they are long lasting. The tip does not freeze easily like some other brush pens. The ink is waterproof, which means you can paint over your lettering without the ink bleeding. This makes the pen a great choice for watercolor artists or anyone who likes to add color over their brush lettering. You can use any smooth paper. You have to practice with this pen. Smooth paper helps the brush tip last longer and give you better cleaner stroke while writing. Rough paper can damage the tip over time, so it's best to avoid that. The set of hard tip and soft tip pens is available on Amazon India for around Rs 298. A single pen, whether hard tip or soft tip, is priced at approx 149. You might think you can get an entire set of Adgel, Camlin or Doms pen at that price. But remember, Tombow Fudnosuke pens are artist quality brush pen, not student grade suppliers. So that's a quick look at the Tombow Fudnosuke brush pen. Both the hard and soft tip have their own style, and it really comes down to what feels best for you. Great for beginners, smooth to use and long lasting. Definitely worth trying. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any further videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.